Alright guys, we are on scene of this one vehicle accident. We have the towing company here.
Doves. That filter is amazing.
Do what?
That filter.
Oh, this is
the
raw.
light. You know what I mean? The light.
Yep.
The light and
The light input.
temperature or whatever you call it.
ISO.
And so you just shoot video with that thing. Man, it's so much nicer otherwise. It's crazy.
Cameras are a lot of work though.
How much would that one cost you? In Joplin, they guard the fire hoses to
Yep.
help, you know.
People don't run them over and stuff, yep.
This guy's new. This is gonna drag it. Oh, there goes the tire. What is he doing? Are you trying to get out of the ditch? Is that what he's doing?